Fellow Kenyans, 16 years ago, we gave ourselves one of the most progressive constitutions in the world. I can tell you that with authority. I've read very many constitutions in the world. In the course of the nature of my work, I had to compare and read other constitutions of other countries. And when I say, like many other lawyers have said, we have one of the best constitutions in the world. What we have are challenges. This was a pact meant to decisively break the neo-colonial extractive system and build a Republic of Kenya anchored on social justice, prosperity, and human dignity. But that has not come to be. We must reset our country to order by reconstituting our governance system in strict adherence to the Constitution and the rule of law. If you give me the privilege of leading this country, I will dedicate my presidency to dismantling the culture of impunity. No one will be above the law. No to the president. Thank you very much. No to the president, no to the pauper. I have said this many times. If I'm head of this country and there is a court order against me or against my government, I will appeal. I will appeal, go to the Court of Appeal, go to the Supreme Court. If I reach the end, I will raise my hands. I will raise my hands and tell everybody who serves under me to obey that court order. Because that's the land, the law of the land. A civilized government is one which obeys the law. It should lead by example. I will do that. We must reverse the imperial presidents, where the president is considered as the sole provider of development. You are told all the time, Raisi amekuja hapa, ametupatia hii. All that is supposed to be in the development plan. What about the areas where he has not been to? What about the areas where he doesn't have sycophants? You can't run a country, you wait for the president to come and say, let me build for your school here. We must be an orderly government. My administration will not treat the Constitution as a suggestion. The Constitution will be our absolute command. We will implement it fully. Professionalize the public service through meritocracy and restore the independence of institutions, Mheshimiwa, including Parliament.